Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to put up some shelves. When we moved here, these were actually shelves that were over our couch or the couch area in the living room, and we saved them thinking, hey, maybe at some point we'll use them. So we have this small little area like right off of our kitchen, and there's not a lot of space. Like you could put a 2-person table. We have a 4-person, so it doesn't quite fit in this area. So I have this little chair here that's normally in the corner, but yeah, we're gonna put some shelves up, see how it goes. so that's it. 2 shelves up. And I feel like it makes this space just even more of a little nook. So hope you guys are having fun with your quarantine project. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.